3, 3, 3,
3, 4.
Sit, folks. Stay strong.
4,
Sit. Push the floor away from you. Keep the belly tight. Sit, Bernadette.
4,
Keep the shoulders in place.
4.
Yes, Tammy.
4.
Nice, Vicky. Come on, Simone.
4,
Yes, Marcy.
4,
Do it, Adam.
4.
All right, Danny.
4.
Last round. When you finish your 5, you're done. You don't need to hold the plank.
Shit. 5.
You're done, Scott.
I was going to make them wait.
You could.
5, 5,
Nice work.
5, 5, 5, 5.
Way to go.